All right, I got an interesting fact of atom and compounds, element and compounds. Okay, so here's what you should know about it. One, compounds have different properties from elements of which they are composed. Here's the explanation. If I combine sodium and chlorine, the product has way different property than what sodium have and chlorine have. For instance, sodium is metal and it really explosive, really react violently with water, dump water to explode. Okay, chlorine is a toxic gas, right? Combine these two, explosive stuff, toxic stuff, what we got? Sodium chloride, we eat it. That's table salt, right? So the property of sodium chloride way different from what they are what they were, right, as an atom. Right, one more. Hydrogen gas, really explosive. Okay, highly flammable. Oxygen is one of the strongest oxidizing agent. Can catch on fire anything. Right? Combine hydrogen and oxygen gas. What do we get? We get water. Look at that. So compounds have way different property than when it were an atoms or an elements. Okay, and guess what? Compounds have fixed ratio. For example, to make water, you will need 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 oxygen. See that? So the ratio of combining oxygen and hydrogen is going to be 2 to 1. No, 1 to 2 ratio. 1 oxygen per 2 hydrogen atoms. If we have, in this case, we have 2 oxygen atoms left and right here. Right? We'll need 4 hydrogen atoms. If we have 6 oxygen atoms, how many hydrogen atoms do we need? Double that, right? So we need 12 total, and to make 6 molecules of water, right? They have the fixed ratio. Something is controlling this ratio, and we're going to talk about it later, especially when we get to the chemical equation, right? So we have the reactant on the left side, combine them, and we have an arrow goes to the product. All right. Okay, all right, let's try this with me. So which of the following is not a pure substance? Pure. Air? Oh, it's a mixture. No, a mixture of gases, right? Nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, argon, table salt, these are pure substance. Okay, air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, other gases, some carbon dioxide. So these are not pure substance. Okay, the rest are. Which of the following is a pure substance? Now, this one is pure. Mineral water. Again, water is a pure substance, but mineral water is not, because it contains mineral, sodium ion, potassium ion, calcium ion. There's a little bit of fluoride ion. So no. Which one is a pure substance? Brass is, well, it's an alloy of copper and zinc. So mix copper and zinc, you get brass. So totally not. Sucrose, table sugar. Yep, that one right there. Just sugar. Okay. Oh, wait. Beer. What's in beer? Yeah, beer. Beer has a lot of it, right? And it compounds that make color. We have carbohydrates. So when you drink, you can. It has calories. Blood. There's a lot of things in blood. We have water. We have white blood cell, red blood cell, hemoglobins, which is in the red blood cell. I can go on and on, right? Antibody, whatever. There's a lot of things in it. Okay, and so just sucrose is just table sugar by itself. All right. Okay, so matter, anything that has mass and takes up volume. We have a pure substance, just one substance, and a multiple substance, just mixture. We call mixture. Okay, mixture is divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous, and the keyword is, remember the keyword, uniform. So either uniform or not uniform. For a pure substance, so we break down into element and a compound. So element just by itself, one element. Compound is multiple elements. Okay. All right. Back to the segment of our podcast. So we have autocorrect one more time. Let's see what we got going on here. This person talked to his or her mom. Okay. All right. Mom said, "You will not believe the day I devoured a baby in a cab." Oh, you what? Oh, oh God, deliver this phone, I swear. Oh my God, wow, boy or girl? Gorilla. Girl, darn it. Looks like this mom has a problem using her phone. Okay. All right. Oh, so the first class activity. So here's what we're gonna do with. You write down your answer. Just your answer. You don't have to like repeat or like rewrite everything here. Don't have to draw the picture. Just write the answer. All right. But when you write it, this is what I want you to do. Let's say if your question one, you just write question one, and if your answer is A, you will write A and element, right? Or B and compound. So you have to write the whole thing here. The reason is, so some students in the past, some students say, hey, I put A, but I mean compound. But no, B is compound, not A. So to save you for some confusion between you and I. So if your answer is A, write element 2. What's in A? If the question 2, you answer D, write down D, and then a Peter compound. Write the whole thing. Okay. So question 1, question 2. We have another question. Question 3. That is shouldn't be that difficult. All right. Write down and take a picture. I highly recommend convert that to a Word document or PDF and then upload it. All right. For the picture file, JPEG works. What's it? PNG work. What else? JPEG, PNG. Some type of picture file. All right. Those work. There's some picture file like on your phone that you take a picture and you send it right away. Somehow it doesn't work, especially like the Android or iPhone. I don't remember. So make sure if you want to submit as a picture file, JPEG, GIF, PNG, what else? Something along the way. I don't remember. Okay, that works. But if you want to make sure, PDF and Word always work. Okay. All right. Go to the next video.